Succulent Secrets Revealed, Caring for Your Desert Darlings. Welcome to Succulent Secrets Revealed, your comprehensive guide to caring for these resilient and captivating desert darlings. Succulents have surged in popularity due to their striking appearance, low maintenance requirements, and adaptability to various environments. In this guide, you'll uncover the secrets to successfully nurturing succulents, whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner. Chapter 1. Understanding succulents. Succulents are a diverse group of plants characterized by their thick, fleshy leaves, stems, or roots that store water for survival in arid conditions. They come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, colors, and textures, from the classic rosettes of Echeveria to the architectural forms of agave and the trailing tendrils of sedum. Chapter 2. Selecting the right succulents. When choosing succulents for your collection, consider factors such as sunlight exposure, climate, and available space. Opt for varieties that are well suited to your growing conditions, whether you're cultivating them indoors on a sunny windowsill or outdoors in a dry garden bed. Popular indoor succulents include Halworthia, Aloe, and Gasteria, while outdoor options range from Sempervivum and Sedum to Yucca and Opuntia. Chapter 3. Providing proper sunlight. Succulents thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, so place them in a location where they'll receive at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Indoors, south or west-facing windows are ideal, while outdoors, choose a spot with partial to full sun exposure. Avoid placing succulents in direct sunlight for extended periods, as intense heat can cause sunburn and damage delicate foliage. Chapter 4. Watering wisely. One of the most critical aspects of succulent care is proper watering. Succulents are drought-tolerant plants that prefer infrequent but deep watering to simulate their natural desert habitat. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings, then thoroughly soak the soil until water drains out of the bottom of the pot. Avoid overwatering, as excess moisture can lead to root rot and other fungal diseases. Chapter 5. Choosing the right soil. Succulents require well-draining soil that allows excess water to flow freely away from the roots. Use a specialized succulent or cactus mix, or create your own by combining equal parts potting soil, perlite, and coarse sand or pumice. Avoid heavy, moisture-retentive soils, as they can suffocate succulent roots and promote waterlogged conditions. Chapter 6. Potting and repotting techniques. Select containers with drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom, and choose pots that are slightly larger than the succulent's root ball to allow room for growth. When repotting, gently remove the succulent from its old container, loosen the roots, and plant it in fresh soil, ensuring that the crown remains at the same level as it was previously. Allow newly repotted succulents to settle in for a few days before resuming regular care. Chapter 7. Propagation methods. Expand your succulent collection by propagating new plants from cuttings, offsets, or leaf cuttings. Simply snip off a healthy stem or leaf, allow it to callus over for a few days, then place it in well-draining soil or water until roots develop. Alternatively, divide clumping succulents or remove offsets that have formed around the base of the parent plant. With a bit of patience and care, you can propagate succulents to share with friends and family or create stunning arrangements. Caring for Your Desert Darlings is a comprehensive guide designed to demystify the art of succulent care and cultivation. Within its pages, readers will uncover the intricate secrets behind nurturing these resilient and captivating desert plants. From understanding the unique adaptations that enable succulents to thrive in arid environments to selecting the perfect varieties for indoor or outdoor displays, this guide provides essential knowledge and techniques for cultivating thriving succulent collections. Readers will learn how to create an ideal growing environment, master the art of watering with precision, support robust growth and health, and overcome common challenges such as pests and diseases. With insights into styling and displaying succulents in creative arrangements, as well as embracing the succulent lifestyle for mindfulness and well-being, this guide offers a transformative journey into the enchanting world of succulents. Whether you're a novice succulent enthusiast or a seasoned gardener looking to expand your horticultural horizons, Succulent Secrets Revealed is your indispensable companion for unlocking the timeless beauty and enduring allure of these extraordinary plants. That's all for today's video. If you guys like the video, Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.